Brondell Swash SE600 Review. Real comfort upgrade that changes your daily routine. It was one of those cold mornings when the bathroom felt more like a shock than a routine. I remember visiting a friend who had just upgraded, and the first thing he said was, "You'll never go back." That stuck with me. Daily habits are hard to question, but sometimes the frustration is hiding in plain sight, right? The real issue is not just comfort. It is the constant waste, the rising irritation, and that subtle, almost gritty feeling of never being fully clean. One family told me they went through rolls of toilet paper faster than groceries. That gets expensive. It also feels inefficient. There has to be a smarter, calmer way to handle something so routine. Then I discovered the Brondell Swash SE600, and everything changed in a way that felt surprisingly practical rather than flashy. Don't just grab any bidet toilet seat. Make sure it has a stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle and adjustable warm water settings so you never deal with inconsistent cleaning and cold shock again. The Brondell Swash SE600 brings together a heated seat, tank-based warm water wash for both rear and feminine modes, oscillating spray, built-in deodorizer, warm air dryer, and a cool blue nightlight in one streamlined unit. Setup is straightforward for most elongated toilets, and the wireless remote lets you save 2 user presets, so your preferred pressure and temperature are ready instantly. Short answer, it feels thought through. A busy consultant I know almost missed an early meeting because he used to rush through his morning routine. Now, the one-touch auto mode handles wash and dry smoothly without guesswork. Relief. The heated seat alone transforms winter mornings, and the eco mode quietly manages energy use. What many owners later appreciate is how the deodorizer and nightlight subtly improve the entire bathroom experience beyond basic hygiene. Over time, the Brondell Swash SE600 shifts from novelty to normal. You save time because the wash and warm air dryer reduce dependence on toilet paper, which means fewer trips to restock and less clutter. That translates into a calmer start to the day and fewer small frustrations. An established bidet reviewer once described the SE600 as feature-packed comfort without the premium price, highlighting the stainless steel nozzle and heated seat as standout elements. A regular homeowner shared that after 5 years of use, it became indispensable in their household, especially during winter. Those kinds of comments are telling. In my own experience, the oscillating spray and massage pulse settings feel precise rather than gimmicky, and the retractable nozzle design keeps hygiene consistent. Some worry about the tank-based heater running cool during long sessions. Fair concern. In practice, for most daily routines, the warm water supply is more than adequate, and the adjustable temperature levels offer flexibility. The soft close lid and sturdy build also reinforce long-term reliability. Results may vary, of course, but when comfort, hygiene, and eco-friendly reduction of paper use all improve together, it becomes less of a luxury and more of a logical upgrade. Would that shift make your morning smoother? If you are ready for a calmer, cleaner, more controlled daily routine, the Brondell Swash SE600 is worth serious consideration. Thousands of homeowners have already made the switch to electric bidet seats and report measurable improvements in comfort and paper reduction, though results may vary by household. It is not about hype. It is about everyday ease. You can find the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. Take a closer look. Explore the features and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.